Alright, so I'm trying to be organized as the system getting messy over using year after year. Sometime I become successful being organized, and most of the time I'm being super disorganized, you can say. Uh, Everything all over the place in the system. I sometimes had to struggle to find out things, so it gobbles up so much of my time. So yesterday evening, I had nothing to do, so I thought to move around few things, and just to make it a much more concise way of putting thing in place. So in case of real requirement, I might look into those places and find things easily, as I think. That's why I took these steps, which I'm going to show you, which is very trivial but probably important to me, or probably to some of you. So what I did is very trivial. uh, Let me spawn up a terminal, and moving to a designated place, let us zoom in so people can see. This is a very trivial step. So yesterday evening I didn't have anything to do, so basically we all have a bin directory in our home folder, and the collection of binary and script is getting enormous over the years. Okay, so I might be changing the machine from one laptop to another, going from one desktop to another desktop, but the same file system is carried over in all the machines. Whether I build a new one or getting into the old one, all same. So whenever I get into a new machine, I got the same feeling, because my system build and structure is almost identical, so it's give me some sort of native feeling. So out of that good thing, so things are quite bizarre to me, apart from uh, getting sorted out. So bin directory under home is a real mess. It has got in number of files, and it's been accumulating ever since. Okay, see, it takes so much time because there are so many things. Okay, so what I did, I just did so my directory names are separated by underscore and hyphen. That's why I'm using these regex, and ended with the script's name. So the directory name ended with the scripts, and it is padded with in between hyphen or underscore. And as I said it many times in my previous videos, that I try to give my files and folder much more humanly remembered term, so I can easily get into it. Okay, so here is some example. See, darn simple. And each and every directory here, the name itself signifies, at least to me, because it's my system. You can take a cue out of it if you like to, so that I know what this script, what this folder contains. So if I ever in dire need of looking out for something, if I have got a little bit of clue, and I should get into this, let me this has got something like this. This is something like this. These are ordinary, because the bin folder is having lots of scripts and binaries which I have written over the years. Okay, and few of them are exposed to my .file repo and other repository in GitHub. If you look into that, you'll find a number of stuff, but those I haven't shared with the public, which generally locally reside to my machine for my convenience and tailored that trim to the environment I operate on day-to-day basis, which might not, and I haven't put an effort to make those things generalized for other people to consume or draw out of those kind of stuff. What I did, I just uploaded it in GitHub so people can get it from there, GitHub and GitLab. And these few things are precisely machine dependent or my environment dependent here, so it keeps it. So the bottom line here, so getting organized is important. Okay, so what I realized is these things has been said to you by many experts over the years, and they probably showed to you, which skips me. So I try to show it to you in my way, that putting things and give the name. We are working in an industry where misnomer is the norm, whether you believe it or not. It's been ages that the script, the command, the directory, that almost everything is quite a misnomer. Sometimes you need to figure it out, why things are named in such a fashion. There must be history attached to it, or there must be reason attached to it. Unless you go to the root of it, you won't be able to understand why that is the name come like that. Okay, so in personal case also, a lot of you people probably have similar situation like me. Something unique I'm dealing with. It's almost everyone's is like that. We are ordinary people, right? We are supposed to be messy, and we are. So to get over something, to get over or mitigate or cut down the time of wasting hovering through the system. So if you keep things little bit organized or formatted, it will certainly help you. And that's why I'm making this video. If it is at all helpful to you, it will be good. It will be good for you only. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are as messy as I am. Okay, thanks.